Hello students, I'm your English educator Prabha Thanvi. Save lives around you by saving water around you. With this beautiful thought, we start our new topic, poster writing. Poster is a larger and pictorial form of an advertisement. Most of the people glance at them from a distance while traveling in buses, trains, and as such wider, bigger letters should be used. Besides, these posters should be attractive so that people's attention is drawn to them. Only multicolored and bright posters can do this. We understand this poster writing by this example to attract the attention of people towards the scarcity and the wastage of water. Design a poster. Some basic points for drawing posters. These should be enclosed in a box. Slogan or clear language should be used. Capital letters should be used as per requirement. Poster related name and address should be mentioned clearly. Without going into details, a poster should be prepared for giving specific message only. The name and address of the issuing person should be written at the bottom of the poster. Some figures or marks can also be used as per requirement while drawing a poster. So thank you and save water.